Good afternoon, everybody. It is 2025, 16th of May, and it's going to be the first time we take Helouise out this year. Yep, welcome. So I've just been checking everything's good, and everything looks fine. Can't see any signs of damage. Over the winter it's held up quite well. So we're just taking the sail cover off. We've unlashed the head sail, the jib. We've got the float out for the mooring ball. The sail looks pristine. So yeah, really pleased. It's all good. So yeah, solar panel's still there. Let's see what the anchor's like. The anchor chain looks a bit more rusty. No, it doesn't look. Looks exactly the same. We'll have to get it out. Anyway, so this is just kind of a test sail, shakedown sail, as they say. But it's a beautiful day. Yeah, all present and correct. Hopefully, I started the engine a couple of weeks ago. That was okay. There's no mould inside. Anyway, we'll get going. Let's have a look. So there's a few things we need to do, like push the oars back into position. The winches are turning. We need to find a winch handle actually. So, winch handle. One winch handle. And we were going to get a Coke. I've got a can of Coke in there. That'll be a little bit cool. Oh. Anyway, let's see how it goes. First sail of the year. And we better get the hooks out. Need one of those a bit later. Here we go, first sail of the year or the season, and it's all looking lovely. We've had amazing weather this spring. Oh, it's been amazing. Just endless sun like this. But no doubt we'll be paying for it sometime in the future. It's too good to be true, really. But anyway, let's go. So we've got all the sails up, going wing on wing, really slow. Got the current against us, but it's dead nice. Look at this, not bad for May. Ooh. Moving along. Yeah, so we made it back from the first sail of the year, no problem. Very light winds, but it looks glass. Golden hour now, but I'm going to spend a bit of time while I'm here just doing a bit of scrubbing. I mean, it's so manky, hasn't been cleaned for so long. It's just algae, isn't it? Wow, imagine doing the whole boat. So I did a little bit of scrubbing, look, to that side compared to that side. Can you see the difference? Anyway, it's going to take ages to clean it all. Head back. Oh. We're back on the boat. It's 20th of June 2025. Yeah, having a bit of a heat wave, which is nice. Today in the cabin it's 25.6 degrees. That is hot for England. Yeah, been a few nice days, dead nice out. Still got to clean the hull and do a little few jobs, but apart from that, probably go for a sail, see if get Oscar, my son, to join me. Hello Aurora. Right, we've been cleaning the hull and the rudder and the propeller. Very, very dirty, but yeah, coming along. Come and look. Hi Oscar, sailing! Oh, into the wind, we have to get the mainsail down in a minute. She's go a bit more right, I reckon. One of those beaches there is the ones we want to go to. Probably minerals. It's not meant to go out that way. I don't know why it's going that way.
Is it not?
No. It's not going out, it's going in.
Yeah.
Well, against sailor.
Yeah.
just on the mainsail and we're running the engine. Oh, isn't that gorgeous sunset? Yeah, so been out today, just waiting for the tide to fill in so I can get back to the mooring. It was low tide 7:30, it's 8 o'clock now, so give it another half an hour, we'll head back. Hopefully there'll be enough water to get onto the mooring and back to the boatyard.